excited. Welcome back to my channel. So today I want to firstly give a massive shout out and thank you to PUPNAPS, who have sent me the 2 very big boxes behind me. They are for 2 very special boys. Now I have 2 dogs. I have a French Bulldog cross pug, Rocky, and also an American Staffy, Bentley. So they are going to come in here very shortly and be so excited, I'm sure. So PUPNAPS, if you check out their website, which I will link below, they have an amazing range of not only beds, but they do things like key rings and custom blankets and water bowls, anything pet related they will have on their website pretty much. But I love with their beds how they are specifically targeted to help your dog have a better night's sleep and to help with their anxiety, which I think is just absolutely amazing. Their beds as well, from what I've read and what I've been told about the company, they honestly are built to last as well, which I have bought my dogs several different beds throughout their lives, and you know how the beds just, they sink down, they don't last. So I am super excited to test these out. So if you are looking for a new bed for your furry best friend, definitely check out PUPNAPS. Also use my code NicoleLisa25 to receive $25 off anything on their website, which is amazing. So if you have a PUPNAPS bed, or if you do purchase a PUPNAPS bed or anything off their website, let me know. I would love to hear from you, and let's get my puppies in so they can unbox their gifts. What is that? So huge. What is this? Wow. This is huge. Oh, how cute. So they put a note in it. I mean, at least one of them is excited. Rocky couldn't care less. He's so confused. Our team, along with myself, are so excited for your beloved pet to enjoy their best sleep yet. Bentley! What? And then it just has their details down below. Oh, that's cute. Okay. It does feel so comfortable. Okay. So it goes this way. Wow. Wow. So this is the extra large size. And also, I think he likes it. Bentley. Wow. They love it. So this is Rocky's. They're actually super soft. Also, for reference, I got the bamboo ones, not the fuzzy winter ones. These feel amazing. Oh. Wow. The large is definitely more soft than the extra large. Are they good? I think they say yes. Okay, so sorry about like the mess and the washing in the background. The extra large size actually does feel quite different. It's definitely not as soft as the large one. So Bentley is really not liking the bigger size at the moment. I'm not saying that that's not going to change, but for right now he loves this. Rocky is not really bothered by like beds. He doesn't really like just lounging in beds, so I don't know. But Bentley, living his best life. so we are back again. A little backstory. So as you would have seen in the previous clips, I ordered the large size and the extra large size. I was mentioning that the extra large did feel a little different to the large size, and I did contact PUPNAPS and they basically did confirm that yes, it is different. So basically they fill it with memory foam chips instead of whatever they put in the large size, because as they said, larger dogs need a different type of support. Now Bentley, who the extra large bed was for, he just didn't like it. Neither of them did. So I was like, there's probably no point in keeping this when they're both fighting over the large size. So easy company to deal with, to be honest. They were super quick in being able to exchange it. They sent me a label, a shipping return label, so I didn't even need to pay to ship it back, and it was just super simple. Although trying to get the bed back in the box was like impossible, so I had to just send it in the bags. So I thought, let's unbox again. So just letting you know how the beds are going. The dogs love these beds. Like, they absolutely fight over who gets to sleep in the one that I have at the moment. So I'm so glad that this is turned up. Now Rocky, my little French bulldog cross pug here, he is, you know, he's getting older, and I've noticed that the bed that I previously had, which was just a Kmart one, he wasn't sleeping well. Like, it's not supporting him at all, to be honest. And, you know, for example, last night he just couldn't settle. So I had to get Bentley out of the PUPNAPS bed so Rocky could sleep, and he literally just fell asleep so quick. He was so much more comfortable. And yeah, they're just such a good product. And can I say, really interesting, I feel like for Rocky, these beds have significantly helped with his snoring, which is totally random, but I definitely wanted to mention it because I was not expecting that. Like, he doesn't snore like as much at all, which is super weird. But yeah, quality, fantastic. And can I just say, they seem to be doing exactly what they say they're doing, and my dogs are getting an incredible sleep. I'm actually blown away with how good the products are, and they actually do what the company says, which is just crazy. Like, when I did hear that, you know, they're a calming bed and they're gonna give my dog the best sleep they've ever had, I was kind of skeptical, I'm not gonna lie. But what I have seen and the fighting between my two dogs to sleep in the bed is just like, the proof is in the pudding, I guess. So I am so glad that they have this amazing bed. Bentley, look! Like, he just loves it. They both do. So yeah, as I said, if you're looking for a new bed, definitely check PUPNAPS out. Incredible company to deal with amazing products. I hope you find this helpful. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you do purchase one of these beds, definitely let me know your thoughts. I would love to hear from you. And Rocky and Bentley both say, again, a big thank you to PUPNAPS. We really appreciate it, and they actually are having the best sleeps they've ever had. Thank you again for watching. I will see you in my next video soon. Thanks again. Bye.